Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to prevent email going to junk folder on Outlook. Sometimes people face the issue some important emails also received from junk email folder on their Outlook email client. In Outlook email client by default, the junk email filter is turned on. The junk email filter evaluates each incoming message based on any one of the following reasons: anti-spam filter installed and enabled by antivirus, sender's email IP address blacklisted, email subject or content is misleading, did not get permission from recipient email, unsubscribe link not provided in the newsletter emails. These are the reasons to normal emails also received from junk folder. Following steps guide you to prevent the normal email move to junk folder. Let's learn how you can do this. Open the Outlook and select the email from junk folder. In this email, it's not a junk, so I have to receive from the inbox. So I have to select this and go to junk, then select the never block senders domain. You can see all of these domain emails will be moved to inbox. This is marked as not a junk. Then you have to go to Home tab. Here you have to click on the junk. Then you have to click on the junk email option. Here you have to select the no automatic filter mail from blocked sender is still moved to the junk email folder. Then you have to select the blocked senders. Here you have to select the email and remove from blacklisted. Then you have to save the settings. Now removed blocked sender email message will be listed in the inbox folder automatically. I hope useful this video. If you would like to more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.